Natural Travel Agency Chaguani. Travel Itinerary. Introduction of the place. Chaguani is a Colombian municipality located in the province of Magdalena, with two places essentials for to visit the lookout of the Estoncapira, the Corcel Blanco, to have a guide, a horse, and activities, the free air. We recommend to know the Far, the Polonia, the Shire of Lord of the Heal de Temple Parish, the George Oil and the Reserve Ecological of Palfocera, located in the Pass Montefrio, in the as to make ecological hikes, hiking, the bird sitting inspections, and photographies. The climate in Chaguani, the summers are short and had the winter are short, comfortable, and snow and thick clothing during all year. The better age for to visit for activities time were are since the half of June until start of September, and until finally of December until half on January. Duration of the trip. The during the 4 legs 3 days and 2 nights to visit three places Montefrio Path, visit the lookout of Estoncapira, to visit Corcel Blanco. Means of transportation in bus Flota Águila. Activities to do. You recommend to visit the place the Path Montefrio is a natural reserve of Cera Pal in Chaguaní, Cundinamarca. Accommodation Hotel Mirador of the Esperanza. You to get to Olímpica with 6:08 to find 30 a.m. in the bus place EX5805. You to must carry lines clothing as with shirts, tennis, flicks, towel, jeans, trekking books, swimsuit, sunscreen, t-shirts, waterproof jacket, and cleaning stuff. Loading Montefrio. The first day. The first activity. Breakfast. The food menu is eggs, bread, and chocolate. The second option is changua and coffee. The third option is tamal and black coffee. The fourth option is soup or potato. The manual use objects and clothing is blues, t-shirts, shirts, jeans, and tennis. The children is 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. The second activity is hikes, the ecological reserve Palf Osera. The food menu is snack, bloatings of waiter, and sandwich. Manual use, the objects and clothing is waterproof jackets, trekking books, swim shirts, t-shirts. The children is 9:40 a.m. at 10:30 a.m. The tree activity is take photos. The manual use objects is cellular or camera. The children is 10:40 a.m. at 11 a.m. Retour the town Chaguani. The fifth activity is to go shopping or to buy touristic things. The children is 30 p.m. and 12 p.m. The sixth activity lunch. The food menu is rice, salad with onion and tomato, roast meat, patacones. The children is 12:30 p.m. at 1:30 p.m. The second activity is rice, salad with carrot and tomato, and free and bread. The seventh activity to visit the church, the Lord of Fallen, and to router for the town. Chaguani. Children is 1:40 p.m. and 4 p.m. The final activity is return to hotel. Mirador de la Esperanza. The children is 4:30 p.m. at 6 p.m. The second day is loading visit the logout of Estoncapira. The first activity is breakfast. The food menu, eggs, bread, and chocolate. The second option is chagua and coffee. The third option is tamal and black coffee. The fourth option is soup of potato. The manual use, the clothing is blues, t-shirt, sweatshirts, jeans, and tennis. The children is 8 a.m. at 9:30 a.m. The second activity is ascent lookout. The food menu is snack loaded of waiter and sandwich. The manual use clothing is waterproof jacket, trekking boots, and sweatshirts and t-shirts. The children is 9:40 a.m. at 10:30 a.m. The three activities is take photos. The manual use objects is cellular or camera. The children is 10:40 a.m. at 11 a.m. The fourth activity is contemplate scenes in the lookout of Estoncapira, the Rai, Magdalena, and Ruiz Snowy. The children is 11:10 a.m. at 11:40 a.m. Return the town Chaguani. The fifth activity is to go shopping or to buy touristic things. The children is 12 p.m. at 12:30 p.m. The sixth activity is the lunch. The food menu is rice, salad with onion and tomato, the roast meat, and patacones. The children is the 12:30 p.m. at 1:30 p.m. The second option lunch is rice, salad with carrot and tomato, and free and bread. The seventh activity is swimming pool. The manual use is the swimsuit. The schedule is the 2 p.m. at 4 p.m. The final activity is return to Hotel Mirador of Esperanza. The children is 4:30 p.m. at 6 p.m. The 3 day, the lodging to visit Corcel Blanco. The first activity, breakfast. Menu, eggs, bread, and chocolate. The second option is chagua and coffee. The third option is tamal and black coffee. The fourth option is soup of potato. The manual use clothing is blouse, t-shirt, sweatshirt, jeans, and tennis. The children is 8 a.m. at 9:30 a.m. The second activity is ascent to visit Corcel Blanco. The manual use is t-shirt and jeans and tennis. The children is 9:40 a.m. at 10:30 a.m. The third activity is outdoor activities animals. The children is 10:40 a.m. at 11 a.m. The fifth activity is guide horse tricks. The schedule is 11:10 a.m. and 11:40 a.m. Return Restaurant Corcel Blanco. The sixth activity, to go shopping or buy touristy things. The children is 12 p.m. at 12:30 p.m. The seventh activity is lunch. The food menu is rice, salad with onion and tomato, and grilled chicken breasts. The second option is rice, salad with carrot and tomato, and salty potato minced. The children is the 12:30 p.m. at 1:30 p.m. The seventh activity is horse show. The children is 2 p.m. at 4 p.m. The final activity, Return Bus Bogotá. The children is 4:30 p.m. at 6 p.m. The cost. The cost for the tour packers at promotion is 500,000 cup. The 4 at legs 3 days and 2 nights. Thank you.